Hey, it's Sammy on May 31st. 4 trades today for 3,445 pips. Usually these end of the month days are big days. Let's take a look and see how everything played out. Hey, it's Sammy on Friday, May 31st. We are coming into red news here in a few minutes. Normally we do not run red news prior, but we got some data firing up here, so we got a pretty damn good idea which way the news is going to go. We're actually going to take this trade up to the daily high tracer for now, and we'll see how the red news reacts. We also have our stop loss brought up to break even plus 25, so we're not too worried about what happens when red news pops. Either way, our trade is protected. You can see we quickly hit our take profit of 700 pips. Let's see how the rest of the red news shakes out. Hey, it's Sammy on May 31st. All right, so you can see we already hit our take profit just to the left here prior to red news. Now, we are gonna wait. You can watch me enter this red news trade. I have plenty of momentum, plenty of sentiment, and a couple of volatility breaks. So we're gonna go ahead and enter the trade. Now we're going to move our stop loss to break even plus 25 to protect these now that all the trades are up and into equity. Now you can see we bounced around resistance 1, so we're going to go ahead and consolidate all of our targets right here at this resistance 1. Now that was a kind of a crazy video with the multiple order fills and all the wicks and stuff that were happening and moving our take profit down to daily R1. So I went ahead and dragged it out of the terminal so you could see the actual positioning of the entries and the exits. We had 3 positions for a total of 1,212 pips. It's incredibly important if you want to trade and win consistently during volatile red news events that you use data. This gives us the confirmation that we're going to have the speed and follow through in our direction. Hey, it's Sammy on May 31st. This is our 3rd trade. So you can see to the left, we had that beautiful big red news trade. All right, we made a new high of day. We have a mechanical reversal trade process that we know how to take. It's gonna be driven by short time frame data, meaning we're trading 1 and 5 minute data. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and enter this trade and just try to make it back down to this Fibonacci level here. Of course, we're going to move our stop loss to break even plus 25 to protect these trades. Now you can see we're hitting our take profit with 608 pips, but our broker didn't fill the order. Looks like it's pulling back a little, and we're just going to go ahead and manually close out with 508 pips. Hey, it's Sammy on May 31st. So you can see to the left, we've taken that long red news trade at 8:30. We also just took this short trade right over to the left here to come back down prior to the open. Now we're coming into the open. We have the high time frame data all kind of still holding, multiple volatility breaks to the long side. You can see we got slipped again on our entry today because it's a very volatile time in the market. We're going to go ahead and plan a signature ceiling trade where all we're looking to do is make it right back up below the high of day tracer and that gray shadow box up here. And we move our stop loss up to break even plus 25 to protect these trades during volatile times like the open. You can see we're going to hit this ceiling for 1,025 pips. I know sometimes it's hard to see our take profits hit, so I went ahead and pulled the terminal and dragged the trades back out onto the chart so you could see. Our first position locked 561 pips. Our second position was 464 pips because we had some slippage on the way in. This is our fourth and final trade for the day, bringing our daily total to 3,445 pips. If you want to learn how to use data to take consistent winning trades and compound your growth, book a call. We'll walk you through the process.